So today I'm going to recreate the look of Deepika Padukone. So yes, let's get started. Now I'm using the orange concealer to hide my dark circles. With the help of my flat brush, I am applying my foundation. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend my foundation properly. With the help of my contour brush, I am contouring my cheek areas, my jawline, and blending it properly so that it gives an even look. To give it a more blended look, I am blending it with my beauty blender. Now I'm contouring my nose. My concealer, I am applying it on my nose, and I'm just blending it with my beauty blender. Now I'm using my concealer to enhance my under eye areas. It gives a very finished look, and there should be no crease and no lines over there, so we have to blend it properly. I'm using the loose powder underneath my eye and the areas where I've used concealer. So I will be using my compact all over my face. Now it's time for blush, so I am using my blush. Now it's time for eyebrows, so I'm filling my eyebrows with my eyebrow brush. Now it's time for eyelashes, so I am applying my eyelashes on my eyes. So mascara is one of my favorite thing to do. So I am using the mascara, lots and lots of mascara, so that it gives a very volumed eyelashes. So there is not lots of eyeshadow, so I'm just contouring my eyes with the brown shade of my contour powder only, with the brown shade. It gives a very deepened eye looks. I'm using my liquid liner and just one stroke and I'm done. Now I'm using orange shade from my eyeshadow kit and I am using on my waterline area so that it gives a very chic look. Using my highlighter, so on my cheekbones, on my nose, on upper lips. So I will be using it on my face very nicely because the look which I'm creating today is full of glowy look. So I will be using it generously. Here's an interesting tip that you can use the earbud in your mouth and then apply the lip color. It gives a very good and a very shaped lip color. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share,